as you see, when Andre capped the temperature switch, the temperature lights went on, and now the TD valve is in another mode, so it's not working. We're gonna have more split on our power levers. We should, but it's very fine now.
Yeah. 150. About a month.
Right, correct thing. And correcting like track, a little bit on the right of the run. I have 1,700, that's what I have. Target I think is 1,400?
Yeah.
Okay. And reaching the flaps. Final flaps, 28 degrees and landing checklist. Here we go, 1,400, maybe 50 feet above the land.
Okay, check. 28. Check the sink and temperature.
There's a center and cap.
Wing and tail on the ice.
It's pull out and it's off on my side too.
And here, and nose wheel.
We have 4 green lights for the AC pump and the 3 landing gears, down and lock. And it's center on my side of the tiller.
Okay, flaps.
Flaps 28, confirm.
Landing checklist complete.
Check. So I'm gonna target 121 for the speed and 106 on the over the threshold.
Around 200 feet above profile.
Check, correcting. Check. So we have a strong left crosswind today. About 16, ghosting 28 I think. Can you ask him a wind check? Just have him a wind check.
And Churchill Radio, Nolinor 890, can we have the wind checklist?
Nolinor 890, roger. Wind 270 at 12, gusting 17.
Nolinor 890, teacher.
Ah, it's not that strong.
$200. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
The lights on.
Reload the controls. So now our engines are still in high speed. When we reach 35 knots here, we're going to lower the speed to 10,100 RPMs with the 2 buttons here. Oh, you're too sweet with me.
Yeah.